Welcome back. Today we are tackling Meeting Rooms 3, a challenging problem about resource allocation. We will explore how to efficiently manage meeting room assignments using priority queues, also known as heaps. This corresponds to LeetCode problem 2402. Let's define the problem. You are given an integer n, representing the number of available rooms, and a list of meeting time intervals. Each interval has a specific start and end time. Your task is to determine which room number ends up hosting the most meetings. Crucially, if there is a tie in the count, the room with the lowest index number wins. There are specific rules for assigning rooms. The first rule is about priority. When a meeting is ready to start, we look at all the currently unused rooms. Among these free rooms, we must pick the one with the lowest number. For example, if room 0 and room 1 are both free, we must choose room 0. The second rule handles the case where all rooms are occupied. If a new meeting comes in and every room is busy, that meeting is delayed. It does not get discarded. Instead, it waits until a room becomes free. Specifically, it waits for the room that finishes its current meeting the earliest. The meeting's duration stays the same, but its start and end times shift forward. To solve this efficiently, we need two specific data structures. We will use two Min-Heaps. The first one, the free rooms heap, stores the indices of all empty rooms. This allows us to instantly find the lowest available room number. The second one, the busy rooms heap, tracks occupied rooms, sorting them by their end time. This helps us quickly identify which room will free up next. Before we process anything, we must sort the meetings. The input array is not guaranteed to be in chronological order. We sort the meetings based on their start times. This is essential because we need to simulate the flow of time linearly, handling each meeting request as it arrives. Now we iterate through the sorted meetings. For each meeting, we first check our busy heap. If any rooms have an end time less than or equal to the current meeting's start time, they are finished. We pop them from the busy heap and add their indices back to the free heap. Then, we try to assign a room. If the free heap has numbers, we pick the smallest one. If the free heap is empty, we must delay the meeting. We look at the top of the busy heap to find the room ending earliest. The new start time becomes that room's end time. We calculate the new end time by adding the original duration. Finally, we push this new schedule back into the busy heap with the same room index. Let's look at the efficiency. The time complexity is dominated by sorting the meetings, which takes m log m time. The heap operations take logarithmic time relative to the number of rooms. Since the number of rooms is usually smaller than the number of meetings, the overall complexity is very efficient. Space complexity is linear with respect to the number of rooms, as we store them in our heaps.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.